Greetings everyone. This is Geoffrey Ngosa. I'm from Zambia, the only Zambian nomad in this world. So today I'm just in Guinea. Life is so good, my friend. How can you not be feel happy and joy? Because it's free. God has given us this life for free, so be happy, you know. So wherever you see me happy, because I appreciate Jehovah for the life and the health that he has given me. It doesn't mean that I don't have problems. I do have problems, but I have to be happy all the time. I appreciate Jehovah for the life that he has given you, because many people, they don't have what you have. Others have died. Some, they are in the hospital. You know, I always feel happy, just like when Zambia is playing. last 2 weeks I felt bad when the South African women team. Say, how are you, sir? I can't get you. I'm not selling. I'm a YouTuber. Oh? I'm a YouTuber. Oh, YouTuber. Yes, I'm filming the video. Oh. Yeah, so you'll be in the video. Where you from? Where you from?
From Nigeria.
I'm from Zambia.
Zambia?
Yes.
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
So you stay around there?
No, I stay in Gonieri. I just came and...
Take a shoot.
Sorry?
Just came to take a shoot.
Yeah, for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, mind your YouTube.
On my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to have it?
Okay, I don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you. Wherever in this side, I don't know what is in here. Out of curiosity.
Taksi var mı abi? He?
Street walk. summertime. It's best time you can visit this place and we enjoy it. So this just been a silent walk. You can see people are enjoying. So see you in the next video. Other places and other time. This has been Zambia Nomad. Stay blessed. All the best in your life. Bye bye.